push in that clutch, and feather that gas pedal. We're going for a ride. Continuing off from last year, Mr. Andrews and his team of aspiring mechanics have succeeded in restoring his old Mustang.
It feels great. I think the reward is actually watching them in action. I mean, being able to see stuff come together.
With the opportunity given by Mr. Andrews, these students took off and put their hard work in.
Oh, dude, this car, absolutely love it. V8 Cobra engine. I applied myself in every way I could. I helped slip the engine and the transmission in.
I'm very proud of myself and my fellow peers and my teacher.
Cool to see that like we worked on something, and then after the fact to see it driving around and actually working is cool, especially considering the whole engine was taken apart.
The work being done has paved the way for future Southeast projects as Mr. Andrews strives to expand his automotive program.
Our current project as of right now may be on hold. It was a 65 Chevy Malibu. We are currently waiting for the frame and the engine to be completed so that we can get it back here and put it back together. But we may be transitioning over to a student's car that is currently sitting. I have fun every day. I have fun because it gives me a way to connect to the kids that are around me. You know, you guys are going to leave, and you know that's something that I'm going to have to take into consideration. That sooner or later, all the students that I've had are going to be gone. But the question is not what they'll forget when they leave here and go where else they're going, but what will they remember? What is the one thing that will have touched them in a way that they'll remember something forever?
Just remember that whenever you see that Mustang, Buffalo's like you made it what it is, and so can you. For BTV, I'm Evan Tong.